So confused.
Today we're going to watch how Blizzard fucks me over in literally every competitive game. But first, some Overwatch toxicity.
Well, no one switched to anything, no one called anything, no one did anything.
I heard somebody call the teleporter,
Just
but you never got it.
May or jump.
Well,
What do you want?
you're the only Pharah is supposed to get it.
Not really. I don't really have that much
Yes.
health. You're a diva.
Well, who was supposed to get it then?
You.
Who's me?
You're a diva.
I couldn't even get in.
Then
You
how
just
was I
fly in.
supposed to get him? You can fly him too.
Not really, it's not as far as you. I fly in symmetry.
But you still can fly him, right?
What the fuck is this lag?
Let's use me. This is scary retarded.
What is this fucking bullshit?
Fuck! Somebody help me with my line, bro. Oh my god.
I guess I will just restart the game real quick.
I had to rage quit.
What happened?
I'm gonna leave.
What happened?
I don't like this game anymore.
Did you just leave? Why? Can you turn up your mic, dude?
I don't wanna play with you. No,
Why did you leave, dude?
I wanted to.
Alright. Let's get right into the news.
So,
Can you join back? Can you join back in the game, dude? I swear, if you don't join back right now.
1 hour later,
I'm not joining though.
2 hours later,
You'll have fun when you're competitive.
Are you kidding me, dude?
Have fun, bro. Have fun.
3 hours later,
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Wow. Are you kidding me, dude?
Have fun, bro. Have fun.
Wow.
Damn it, I can't take anymore! Hey, Connie. Hi, Peter Griffin, Meg's father. Say, can you do me a favor? You see that fire extinguisher there?
Dad, that's enough! Dad, that's enough! That's enough, Dad!